Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 3rd, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, we had the tariff news yesterday, and it was a very wild day, as you can see. Just like I said, it was going to be a very, very volatile day. Now, what happened was it did end up pushing down, but then it ended up not being able to break structure, and it just bam, right up it went. This is why I didn't trade this event because it was a little bit of an unknown. I mean, honestly, if we go up to the higher time phase, it really is not surprising at all what happened because the higher time phase are definitely in an uptrend. If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I'm extremely bullish the euro dollar. I actually think the euro dollar eventually is going to go all the way up to about the 1.25 area. But that's a very, very, very long outlook. So, anyways, we are sitting at the 78% Fibonacci retracement now. We do have a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape to this move now, too, but just because you see 5 ways does not mean it's going to go down in any significant way. And because I'm so bullish on the higher time frames, unless the market proves me otherwise somehow, I am definitely looking for pullback entries to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I did think it was going to go down. I did think it was going to make a more proper ABC before it went up. But what ended up happening was it was an expanding ABC correction, higher high wave B, lower low wave C. We had a break of structure days ago, and then it made higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Just kept on trending up. I definitely wouldn't be recommending longs, and I would only be looking to go long on pullbacks. I would not be looking to go long right now when we're up against the 78%. I would only be looking to go long if it made a pullback, and then I would be looking to go long at the end of the pullback for the continuation of the uptrend. As usual, no matter if it's tariff news, scheduled news, no matter what it is, the higher time frame trend is your friend as usual. And yesterday's tariff news just proves that once again. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my video. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.